hope you all are doing well. It is Tuesday morning, and so we are preparing for yet again another snowstorm. It's supposed to hit tomorrow and Thursday, and so anyway, I think in light of that, I am going to clean out my pantry today. It is a teetotal disaster. I do not think I have cleaned it out. Well, I know I haven't since Christmas. And so anyway, just, large family, everybody going in, rummaging through. You're in a hurry, you're just throwing stuff back in there, not really paying attention to where you put it. And so anyway, I'm gonna, I think, do that today and make a list of what I need so I can get stocked up again before the snow. So anyway, really hoping this is the last time I have to do this this winter. Just really tired of snow. I will be glad when spring gets here. But anyway, it will eventually get here. So we're at least one day closer to it than we were yesterday. But anyway, so I don't know if you guys are experiencing a lot of snow right now. I know, I think the whole United States is supposed to be just super, super cold this week, just really low temperatures and that kind of thing. So anyway, we're going to get through it as best we can. We've got wood for the fire. We've hopefully we'll have some food here soon. And so anyway, but just wanted to touch base with everybody and see how you guys were doing. And like I said, I think just doing the pantry today would be the best way to prepare for the upcoming snowstorm. And that way I can kind of see what I have and what I need. So anyway, I hope you guys are looking forward to this video. I know I am, and I hope it will motivate you to maybe do your own pantry or something else while you watch. So anyway, let's get started. All right, ladies, this is our project for today. So we are gonna get in this pantry. And as you can see, it is just a teetotal mess. Just everywhere you look, disorganization and junk. So we're gonna get in here today and get it cleaned out. All right, let's start over here and just work our way around. So I've got my notebook so I can make a list of what I need, but I probably won't know that until after I get rid of some of this trash. So let me get a bag. I think the last time this was cleaned good was before Christmas. So let's see what, just empty boxes. Can't say anything about the empty boxes. I'm as bad as the children, just throwing them down. Let's hang this on the door. All right. I've got just dabs of different plates and napkins left over. So let's see if we can get all those together. All right, gummies are good. Those are for my son. How often do you guys have to do your pantry? Alright, I have no idea how long that bread has been here. I need to let that go. Cocoa that I couldn't find in the wrong spot. All right, so let me get something to wipe that off. Okay, all right, that's a can, so that goes over there. All right. I have noticed sub buns go bad really fast here, and the good news is I learned how to make them, and they're so easy and so good. So I will be doing that from now on. All right, so I've got 2 open boxes of gummies. So let's see if we can combine that. All right, pretzel salt, bread. This actually goes over here. Oops. So we can see them and we know what we have. All right, a clip. Glad that was in there. All right. These go in the bathroom. Don't ask me why they're in here. I was looking for a basket one day, so I just dumped all my oatmeal packets out of the basket. So we can put those back. All right, goldfish. That's all I have with that. Pencils. Flour does not go there. Alright, sugar. We'll go put this in my sugar container. Alright. All right, napkins and plates, cups, all right, let's see, I'm gonna move you guys. Better maybe. You can see over here in my little corner. Ah, another empty box. All right. So these are out of date, but the cows would like them, so we're gonna keep these for them. These go out now, so like I need to remember to fix something with these like today. I was looking for the date on these. Oh, I think they're on the tag. Okay. So we need to use those up. The empty box. It looked like we had a ton of food until we take out the empty boxes. All right, those are for the cows. Those are for the cows. That can go over here. Oh, bring those back up. All right, bread. That can go over here. All right, let's see what we got up here. More napkins. Pasta. These are like, I bought those. I thought they were pretty. Got them at the Dollar Tree. Little pretty napkins. So anyway, we'll use those in the spring. All right. So I bought all this cereal to do like Chex Mix. Just haven't done it yet. But let's see, corn and rice. So my camera overheated and stopped, but I'm going to show you how everything turned out. I'm really pleased. I mean, it doesn't look Pinterest worthy or anything, but it's definitely much better than it was. So I'm excited. All right, so this is how everything turned out. You know, it just, everything's grouped together at least now, so it's much better than it was. And the floor, much better. You can actually, I don't fall down, you can actually walk in here, so just much better. So embarrassing that it got to this point, but it did, and so we just deal with it and move on, do the best you can. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have had a great day. I'm going to actually go now. I've got my list and stock up on what I'm missing, and so we'll be all ready for the snow coming. So anyway, if you guys are getting snow, make sure you stay safe and stay warm, and I will talk to you again soon.